What is the difference between Air Force 1 and Air Force 107?
Hello sneakerheads, welcome to another deep dive into the world of shoes. Today we're peeling back the layers on a timeless question. What is the difference between Air Force 1 and Air Force 107?
What is the Air Force 1?
The Nike Air Force 1 is a legendary silhouette in the sneaker world. Released in 1982, it's named after the president's airplane, and it was the first basketball shoe to use the Nike Air technology. It's often recognized for its distinctive chunky sole and simple, yet effective, design. The sneaker is celebrated for its versatility, comfort, and the fact that it comes in an array of styles, making it a favorite across different fashion genres.
What is the Air Force 107?
Fast forward to 2007, and Nike wanted to commemorate the 25th anniversary of the original Air Force 1. They released the Nike Air Force 1-Foot 07, a modern take on the classic design. The 07 model maintains the iconic silhouette of the original while incorporating subtle updates for a more contemporary look and feel. These updates include improved cushioning and padding, slightly more streamlined design, and often a larger selection of materials and colorways.
What is the difference between the two?
So, what sets the Air Force 1 apart from the Air Force 1-Foot 07? Well, the main differences boil down to the design elements and the materials used. The original Air Force 1 has more of a classic, retro feel with a slightly bulkier silhouette. The leather used in the original model is also more premium and has a softer feel. On the other hand, the Air Force 1-Foot 07 is a bit sleeker, has slightly less bulk, and usually comes in a wider variety of color options. The 07 edition also uses a mix of synthetic and real leathers, which can result in a stiffer feel compared to the original. The two models are similar in many ways, but these minor differences make them appeal to different audiences. Some people are attracted to the classic, retro feel of the original, while others prefer the sleeker, more modern design of the 07 version. In the end, whether you choose the Air Force 1 or the Air Force 1-Foot 07 largely comes down to personal preference. Both are iconic sneakers that offer great comfort, style, and versatility. They each have their unique qualities and hold their place in the realm of sneakers. Hopefully, this breakdown has shed some light on the differences and similarities between these two legendary shoes. Until next time, keep stepping in style.